Hello! Hello everybody! I hope you're feeling fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. It's your girl, Makeup Doc. Today I'm going to be doing the 5-minute challenge. I saw a lot of Instagram beauty influencers doing this challenge, so I was just like, well, I might as well. I'm gonna set my timer to 5 minutes. Lord Jesus, help her. Okay, so 5 minutes and 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. I can't talk, guys, so pardon my craziness. This makeup will not look like makeup that, oh no, come on, are you serious? My pump decides to act upon me. Oh my god. Okay, I shouldn't have worn this wig. The fact that I have to hold this mirror in my hand is even annoying me. Okay. Okay, I think it looks blended. Going in with my BH Cosmetics contour and highlight palette. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my goodness. Okay, I think I'm going to use a beauty blender. Hit my under eyes. I can't even see the time no more. Okay, I think I'm doing good. Nose contour. Okay, I put my brush in the wrong powder. Oh my god. Okay, I have 2 more minutes. Oh Lord. Okay. I did not even put primer. Lord Jesus. Okay, there's no look I'm doing that does not include me. Oh my god! Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my god. That was hard. I don't think it looks that bad. Guys, I think I did pretty good. My lips, I was gonna put some gloss on it because right now it's looking kind of crazy. But I'm actually proud of myself. This tells me that I can actually put makeup and go to work every single morning. And my wig is really helping the look. But well, thank you guys for watching. Please comment and rate how I did. Like, how does the makeup look? Let me know down in the comment section. This was actually a lot of fun. Anyways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time subscribing, make sure that you hit that bell notification so you see my videos every single time I post. Yeah. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook. I will leave the links to my Instagram and Facebook page down in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was fun. It was nerve-wracking but fun. I will see you in my next video.